Hey, and today I'm going to be talking about thunder. Yep, fun. Yes, thunder. Stupid. Some people like the noise. Some people like the noise of like lightning. Lots of people like the noise of lightning, but thunder is just stupid. I'm even talking about the right thing. Lightning is a noise, right? I'm confused. Hey, and today I'm going to be talking about thunder. Yep, fun. Yes, thunder. Stupid. Some people like the noise. Some people like the noise of like lightning. Lots of people like the noise of lightning, but thunder is just stupid. I'm even talking about the right thing. Lightning is a noise, right? I'm confused.